dance is called Classic. It's a 64 count, 2-all, improve a level line dance with 3 restarts. Starting on the right foot, step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right and click your fingers. Both hands, I've only got one foot. Step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left and click your fingers. Into a slow chassé to the right, side, close, side, hold. That set of steps once more then, side touch off on the right. 7, 8, side, touch, side, close, side, hold. Slow sailor quarter turn. You go across the left behind the right, making that quarter turn to the left, step the right to the side, step the left to the side, hold. Step forward on the right, twist that right heel to the right, back to centre, kick the right forward. That set of steps once more then, sailor turn off on the left. 7, 8, sailor, turn, hold, step, twist, twist, kick. Let's add that to the top. Side touch off on the right. 7, 8, side, touch, side, close, side, hold. Sailor, turn, hold, step, twist, twist, kick. Step back on the right, kick the left, step back on the left, kick the right. Into a slow coaster step, step the right back, left beside right, step the right forward, scuff the left throat. That set of steps once more then, back kick off on the right. 7, 8, back, kick, coaster, step, scuff. Add that to the top. Side touch up on the right. 7, 8, side, touch, side, close, side, hold. Sailor, turn, hold, step, twist, twist, kick, kick, coaster, step, scuff. Go forward on a step, lock, step, left foot leading, step, lock, step, hold, run forward 3 steps, right, left, right, hold. That set of steps once more then, step, lock, up on the left. 7, 8, step, lock, step, hold, run, hold. That's our halfway point, let's take it up to there. Side touch up on the right. 7, 8, side, touch, side, close, side, hold. Sailor, turn, hold, step, twist, twist, kick, kick, coaster, step, scuff, step, lock, step, hold, run, hold. From our halfway point then, cross the left, over the right, hold. Make a quarter turn left as you step back on that right, hold. Slow chassé to the left, side, close, side, hold. That set of steps once more then, cross, hold, quarter turn, hold into that chassé. Off on the left. 7, 8, cross, hold, turn, hold, left, chassé, hold. Into a modified jazz box. It's modified because it has a hold in between every step. So you're going to cross the right over the left, hold, step back on the left, hold, right to the side, hold, left beside right, hold. So let's just add that onto our halfway point. Cross, hold, turn, hold, off on the left. 7, 8, cross, hold, turn, hold, side, close, side, hold, cross, hold, back, hold, side, hold, close, hold. Add on a couple of heel struts. So you're going to touch, step your right heel forward. As you lower the toe, clap. Repeat with the left. Step the left heel forward. As you lower the toe, you're going to clap. And add on a rocking chair. Rock forward on the right, recover. Rock back on the right, recover. That little set of steps once more then. Heel struts off on the right. 7, 8. Heel, strut, rocking chair. So add that to our halfway point. Cross, hold, turn, hold, off on the left. 7, 8. Cross, hold, turn, hold, side, close, side, hold, cross, hold, back, hold, side, hold, close, hold, heel, strut, rocking chair. To end the dance, step pivot half, twice, modified. Of course we're going to put holds in between all the steps. So you're going to step forward on the right, hold, pivot half, turn left, hold. Step forward on the right, hold, pivot half, turn left, hold. So just do that once more. Step pivots with the holds in between. 7, 8. Step, hold, pivot, hold, step, hold, pivot, hold. Now that is a full turn that you're effectively doing in that last set of steps. Should you need to try and take that out, turn it into a slow rocking chair. So you'll step forward or rock forward onto the right, hold, recover your weight back on the left instead of doing that pivot, hold. Rock back on the right, hold, recover on the left, hold. So slow rocking chair, your non-turning steps should you need to take that bit out. So let's add that to our halfway point. Cross, hold, turn, hold, off on the left. 7, 8. Cross, hold, turn, hold, side, close, side, hold. Cross, hold, back, hold, side, hold, close, hold. Heel, strut, rocking chair. Step, hold, pivot, hold, step, hold, pivot, hold. So that's the end of the dance. When we get to that point, let's put it all together. Side touch off on the right. 7, 8. Side touch, side, close, side, hold. Sailor, turn, hold, step, twist, kick, back, coaster, step, scuff, step, lock, step, hold, run, hold, cross, hold, turn, hold, side, close, side, hold, cross, hold, back, hold, side, hold, close, hold, heel, strut, rocking chair, step, hold, pivot, hold, step, hold, pivot, hold. So that is your dance, and there's not an and count in sight. But it is a 2-wall dance. So let's have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going. We'll get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Side touch off on the right. 7, 8. Side touch, side, close, side, hold, sailor, turn, hold, step, kick, twist, kick, back, coaster, step, scuff, step, lock, step, hold, run, hold, cross, hold, turn, hold, side, close, side, hold, cross, hold, back, hold, side, hold, close, hold, heel, strut, rocking chair, twist, twist, kick, back, kick, coaster, step, scuff, step, lock, step, run, 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 cross, turn, side, close, side, cross, back, side, close, heel strut, rocking chair, step, pivot, step, pivot. So that's your dance. Now there are 3 little restarts in this dance. And just to keep you on your toes, they come in 2 different places. The first 2 come very, very near to the end, after 52 counts. 52 counts takes you up to and including your heel struts. So you do your heel struts, you don't go into the rocking chair. They come on walls 2 and wall 5. So wall 2 is our back wall, wall 5 is our 12 o'clock wall. So let's have a go at wall 5, take you up to the restart point, 52 counts, and restart the dance. Side touch, off on the right. 7, 8, side touch, side, close, side, hold, sailor, turn, hold, step, twist, twist, kick, back, coaster, step, scuff, step, lock, step, hold, run, 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 hold, cross, hold, turn, hold, side, close, side, hold, cross, hold, back, hold, side, hold, close, hold, heel strut, restart, side, touch. So you do up to those heel struts, and then you restart the dance. 52 counts. So that's walls 2 and 5. Your third restart comes on wall 8, which is your 6 o'clock wall, after 4 counts. So you'll do your side touch, and then you do your side touch, you start the dance again, effectively. So that's where your third restart comes. Wall 8 is your 6 o'clock wall after 4 counts. So the best way of looking out for that one, because it's very easy to miss it, once you've done your second restart after 52 counts, you'll be starting facing wall 12, you'll then be doing wall 6. You dance wall 6, wall 12, next time you're back at the back wall, that is your restart wall. So that is it. That is your dance, that's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8, side touch, sailor turn, step, twist, kick, back, coaster, step, lock, step, run, cross, turn, side, close, cross, back, side, close, heel strut, rocking chair, step, pivot, side touch, and restart floor, sailor turn, step, twist, kick, back, coaster, step, lock, step, run, cross, turn, side, cross, back, side, heel strut, restart, side, sailor turn, step, twist, kick, back, coaster, step, lock, step, run, cross, turn, side, cross, back, side, close, heel strut, rocking chair, step, pivot, side touch,
It's another 65.
sailor turn, back
Take it
kick,
to the drive-in tonight.
step lock,
They don't think it like that
cross
anymore.
turn,
With the stars on the screen
jazz,
alone. I'm talking speaker hanging up the
heel
top.
strut,
'Cause they don't think it like that anymore.
pivot,
She and I are plastic.
side touch, restart
Bench
wall,
in the front seat.
sailor,
Like a big yellow taxi.
back kick,
Like your best friend's mixtape.
step lock,
I take a little weather from day.
Cross
Ain't
turn.
nothing new at all to you.
Jazz.
Cause they don't make it like this anymore. I wanna
Restart.
rewind, baby. Take our time. I wanna hit rewind, baby. Take our time. They don't make it like this anymore. Johnny and June, shake it like glue. They don't make it like this anymore. Daddy Davis, yellow pages. They don't make it like this anymore. But you and I were built to last it. Just a couple of stone cold classics. Just a couple of stone cold classics. Just a couple of stone cold classics. I wanna hit
Restart.
baby. Take our time. I wanna hit rewind, baby. Take our time. They don't make it like this anymore. They don't make it like this anymore. They don't make it like this anymore.
Hope you managed that one.